Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 FS and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. Alright, so let's pretend I've got problems with my Google Chrome that I cannot open it, or I open it and then it immediately and automatically is turned off. Let's pretend that. All we have to do is to tap on it and hold it and then go to App Info. First of all, let's tap on Force Stop. Right here, in my case, it's right in the middle. So Force Stop and then Force Stop. And then go to Storage Usage and find the cache section. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but basically they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So simply tap on Clear Cache. And after that, so after Force Stop and clearing cache, I highly recommend to simply soft reset your device, or basically turn it off and then power it on again, because this operation will kind of confirm all of the changes. And after that, try to open the Chrome again, and hopefully it worked. If not, I highly recommend to check for the updates. So just tap on the Play Store. First of all, you need the internet connection to use it, and then you need to have your Google account added. You can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Then after logging, simply tap on Search. Here tap on Search and enter the name of the app you'd like to update. Tap on it. And here we've got the information about the Google Chrome. As you can see, it is installed, so let's tap on it. And if you can update the app, you will have this option here, Update. So I highly recommend to simply tap on Update. Your device will download the newest version and apply it to your device. If that didn't work, then instead of Update, after updating of course, you will have the option Uninstall. And I highly recommend to uninstall it and then install it again. Before installing, you can soft reset your device also to, let's say, again confirm the changes. Basically, sometimes installing new version directly instead of overwriting it on the old version is much better option, better idea, because sometimes overwriting causes some problems. So as I said, first of all, update. If that didn't work, uninstall and then install again. And if that didn't work, as a last resort, I highly recommend to check for your system updates, because sometimes older versions might interfere with the new apps. So let's go to the settings, make sure that you've got the internet connection. If you've got the software update, you will have this information here at the top, but if you don't have one, just scroll down and find system and update. Then go to the software update, and basically here you will get the info that the update is available. And if you've got that kind of thing here, just tap on download, install and apply the update. It will not only help you with the apps, but overall with the security. It's quite important. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.